Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager straight away. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and it appears. If that shortcut doesn't respond, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and pick Task Manager from the options. Alternatively, right-click an empty spot on the taskbar and choose Task Manager with your mouse. Once done, make sure the window is visible and not minimized. You'll need this active window to monitor or stop processes. Opening it is the essential first step before you inspect CPU, memory, or startup items. Once Task Manager is open, you move to the Processes or Details tab to locate what's using resources. You can sort columns by CPU, memory, or disk to reveal the top consumers. This helps you decide what to close. If a program is unresponsive, right-click it and choose End Task. Be careful to avoid ending system-critical processes. You can also select Open File Location to inspect the executable. Make sure to observe process names before stopping anything, because some look similar. To complete the cleanup, switch to the Startup tab and disable programs that slow boot time. Select an app and click Disable. Then view the Performance tab to confirm CPU, memory, and disk behavior after changes, which tells you whether your actions helped. If Task Manager refuses to open, reboot first. If problems persist, run command prompt as admin and use sfc/scano to repair system files. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to diagnose stubborn apps without third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.